No wonder she's so quiet.
I know, yeah, exactly. Just coasted it. Yeah?
This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2018 Eastwood Tools car show. Love these Chevys, man. Oh, sweet, sweet, sweet. Of course, the 59. Always tell by those cat eyes. Oh, gotta move out of the way for a little Dodge Charge GT. I'm gonna capture this hot rod. Nice little Ford. Cool. I love these. Keeping more or less an original look, although he's running the overhead valve. I like that. I like that a lot. Just want to catch this Dodge Charge GT. Very sweet. I love when people come out, even if their cars are not finished. It means a lot. It really does. Nice ride. Like it. GTS, building that. And you see that? As soon as we start having a good time, look who shows up. Oh, come on, you're missing the golden opportunity.
It's up to you.
You're missing the golden opportunity. Ask them. License and registration, please.
All right, you want to go to the back? Yeah, right. You're right there.
Of course, 66 Polara, Dodge Polara. Nicely done from Monroe Police Rescue.
Down there,
Just want to get a glimpse of the interior.
it's right in the front of the building. There's a big sign that says.
This is.
Thank you.
All right.
This is originally the police car.
Yes, it's a real police car.
That's great. I'm glad you got all the equipment too.
Everything's here.
Very nice, very nice. Thanks for coming out. Appreciate it. Keep cops off donuts. Some cool stuff rolling in here at Eastwood. Nice. The open headers, straight axle, pure gasser. And this is the American too. Nice.
Sorry, I didn't mean to point in. That was really rude. Why do I owe you? Okay. You got a goodie bag for me? Thank you.
Oh, Ranchero, 4-door. Ranch, I love it.
All right, I wasn't going to take yours.
Pontiac GTO, just beautiful. Getting some strange iron in here, which is pretty good.